Good morning, class. So today we are going to discuss about your fourth unit, first lesson. Tenali paints a horse. So do you know all Tenali Ramakrishna? He is a famous poet of Vijayanagara. That is Vijayanagara kingdom. And the king of Vijayanagara kingdom is Krishna Devaraya. So he is one of the clever poet in among the poets. So what happened is Tenali Ramakrishna. So one day, what happened in the Vijayanagara kingdom? What happened? One painter came and he showed a painting of beautiful village. Then what the Krishna Devaraya said is. This is a beautiful painting, and this is one of the beautiful and good painting which I have collected in my kingdom. Okay. Then what happened? All the court people also said that yes, it is a beautiful painting. Then the Krishna Devaraya said that you stay in my kingdom only, and you should draw more this type of beautiful king, that is a paintings, and it should be the best collection of me. And then Krishna Devaraya offered a bag of gold to the kingdom. Then what the painter said that it is my pleasure, Majesty. I will stay here and I will give a good paintings for you. Then Tenali Ramakrishna came and said that what is this painting? It is not good as much as you think, king. Here we are seeing a beautiful village, but we are seeing one side of the cow. Where is the another side of the cow? And we are seeing only the one side face of the man. There is what? Where is the another side face of the man? Then the Krishna Devaraya angrily, you arrogant poet. That is all the things we have. We will not include in the painting. Some things we should imagine. Then what happened? I can draw more, that is I can draw better than this painting, said by Tenali Ramakrishna. Then what the king said that if you draw the that is much good painting than this painting, then I will offer a bag of gold to you. Then what happened? Um, uh, what the Tenali Ramakrishna said that yes, I will draw. Then what happened? I will give a 1 month time, and after 1 month, if you don't show the painting, you will be punished, or you will not get a bag of gold. Then the king bet to the Tenali Ramakrishna, and Tenali Ramakrishna also bet. Then all the court people said that he can't draw, and slowly 1 month has completed, and the Tenali Ramakrishna didn't came. Then the court people said that I think he is busy in painting, or he didn't draw the painting and he stayed at home. Then the Krishna Devaraya said that this is my lunch time. I will not wait more. Any one of you go to the Tenali Ramakrishna house and bring the painting, or bring him. Then one of the court person said that if he failed to draw the painting, then he should give a bag of money to us. It will be a penalty. Then the king said that okay. Then what happened? The king said that he is not a normal person. He is a very clever poet. Then the Tenali Ramakrishna came. He came with the painting. The painting is covered with a cloth. Then what happened? If you open the painting, he drawed all the bricks, and he drawed a tail of the horse, because Tenali Ramakrishna on that day said that I will draw a horse. Then that is a title. Tenali paints a horse. So he only drawed the tail, and he drawed that is the white thing which is present on the horse, and he drawed the wall, that is the stones, and he showed to the king. Then what happened? Tenali Ramakrishna said that where is the horse? You drawed only this one. Then the Tenali Ramakrishna answered that king, you only said that someone we have some, that is something, all is not included in the painting, we should think, or we should not think, we should imagine. Then through my painting you imagine that a horse is beside, that is that side of the wall, and it is drinking some water. Then the Tenali Ramakrishna, all the all the people in the court saw very that is surprisingly, and he's clever. That is, all that thinking that how clever this Tenali Ramakrishna is. And then the then the king said that yes, you are right. We should not imagine the painting. In the painting, all should be there in the painting. That is a fulfilled painting. So, to better understanding, I will say, ఇప్పుడు పాత పెయింటర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ వేరే ఫేస్ పెయింటింగ్ ఏది అని అడిగితే అన్నీ మన దగ్గర అన్ని పెయింటింగ్లో ఉండవు, కొన్ని మనం ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోవాలి అని చెప్తాడు కదా. అప్పుడు తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ ఏం చేస్తాడు, సగమే హార్స్ గీసుకొచ్చి ఇదే హార్స్ అని అంటాడు. అప్పుడు రాజా అంటాడు, ఏంటి హార్స్ ఏంటి, ఓన్లీ టైలే కనిపిస్తుంది, హార్సే కనిపించట్లేదు అని అంటే, అప్పుడు అంటాడు, మీరు అన్నారు కదా అప్పుడు అన్ని పెయింటింగ్లో ఉండవు, కొన్ని ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోవాలని, మరి ఇప్పుడు కూడా మీరు నా పెయింటింగ్ చూసి ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోండి, ఈ స్టోన్స్ వెనకాల హార్స్ ఉంది, హార్స్ వాటర్ తాగుతుందని ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోండి. then they will say that, then all the people in the court open their eyes and says that yes, Tenali Ramakrishna is a very clever, and the king offered him a bag of gold. So here main thing is that that is Tenali Ramakrishna is a very clever. He have many stories about Tenali Ramakrishna is said. So here the clever or the mind is very important while doing anything. Hope you understand. Thank you.